So in this video, we're taking a look at the SiWiQU Switch Dock S3. This is a third-party docking station for your Nintendo Switch or your Nintendo Switch OLED. Now, why would you want an additional docking station for your Nintendo Switch? Well, really simple, if you want to have more docking stations around the house. Currently, I have the main docking station, the Nintendo brand, in the kids' room, but it's always great to have one maybe in the living room or maybe in the family room, so we can just pop and go all around the house. Now, when it comes to the Switch Dock S3, keep in mind it's just a docking station. It doesn't come with the AC adapter or an HDMI cord. You already have those things, and of course you can use any other kind of HDMI cord. Just plug it in, use the official Nintendo adapter or other adapters to power it on, and you're good to go, just like the original docking station. Now, on the docking station, it does come with an HDMI cord, a power switch to switch to the docking station here, or straight on the TV, a USB-C port to power the docking station and your Switch, and two USB-A ports to charge your controllers or use them to connect directly to play on the Switch. Now, when you take a closer look at your docking station, you'll see some rubber feet at the bottom, so it's not sliding all over the place. And you also notice that it's a very light docking station. Again, not as heavy as the original one. And as a bonus, this docking station does support 4K as well. Even though Nintendo Switch doesn't do 4K, it does 1080p, you do have the option for a 4K signal to come out of this when devices are compatible for that. Overall, it works just the way you expect. Super light, super compact and portable. Take this anyway on sleepovers, friend's house, to school. This will definitely be a plus for you. Okay, I really hope this video will help you out. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own Switch Dock S3. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here. And also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.